everyone, my name's CHARA. I'm a current student here at Oregon State University. Right now I'm standing out in the quad in front of our Buxton and Hawley halls over on the west side of campus. We're located right across from some of our academic buildings as well as our intramural fields right now. We're also home to our engineering living learning community here on campus. So why don't we go ahead and take a look inside. Welcome on in to the first floor of Buxton Hall. Behind me we have our DAMLAB Makerspace. The first floor of Buxton and Hawley halls are home to our second year and above students here at Oregon State. Here on the first floor of Buxton Hall, we have our DAMLAB Makerspace, a space for College of Engineering and College of Business students to get creative with tools like our 3D printers, our laser engravers, and even some sewing machines. We're now down in our laundry room. All of our residence halls have free laundry on campus, so all you need to do is check that Laundry View app that we have to check which machines are available. We're down in the basement of Hawley Hall. Both Buxton and Hawley halls do have bike storage in their basements on campus, so feel free to lock up your bikes down here. Right now we're standing in Hawley Hall's big community lounge, ample space for studying, great place to hang out with friends, and we've even got some pool tables back there if you want to check that out. Welcome to the first floor of Buxton and Hawley halls. Right now we're standing in the community kitchen and lounge. This is for second year and above students here at Oregon State University. It's a great spot to go ahead and whip up a quick meal, maybe even do some studying, catch a movie with some friends. Welcome on into a standard double here in Hawley Hall, right across the street from Austin Hall, one of our academic buildings on campus. In here you'll see pretty much everything that comes with the room here at Oregon State University. That's going to be your bed frame, your mattress, your desk, chair, as well as a wardrobe for some clothes. Here we have a community-style restroom with sinks, toilets, and private showers. Here we have a community lounge and kitchenette on the second floor of Hawley Hall. This is where you'll find some chairs, a table, couch, maybe even a TV, as well as a sink and a microwave to make a quick meal.